welcome back to my mom's channel. Today I'm gonna be making some chocolate cake with my mom with no dairy or eggs. Hopefully you enjoy it.
You're gonna first start by adding your milk into a container, followed by putting in your apple cider vinegar, mix it up and set it to the side. Add in all of your dry ingredients, including your flour, your salt, all of those items, including your cocoa powder. Once you add in the cocoa powder, you're gonna mix it, set that aside as well. You wanna take your mixer, add in your oil. After placing your oil in, add in your sugar. Once you have your sugar, you want to go ahead, turn your mixer on, mix it for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then you're going to go ahead and begin adding in your flour mixture. And all you're going to do is alternate your flour mixture in and with your milk. And you just go back and forth until you have it well mixed. Now remove your bowl with your cake mix. Go ahead and add in your chocolate chips. You want to go ahead, grab a spoon and stir that up, mix it up well. And you want to go ahead, make sure that you already have your pan prepared and pour your cake mix into the pan. And once you have that all smooth out, you're going to go ahead and place your cake in the oven and let it cook for about 45 to 50 minutes. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I've put the icing on here and we're just gonna make this look really nice and pretty. And this was a half order of icing that I made. So the recipe is for a single layer cake. You can make more icing if you desire to, if you're doing a double layer cake or multi-levels. If you are watching the cake video for the icing, this is the icing, and then the cake video should be coming up next. And if you're watching the video for the cake, then the icing should be coming up next.
It's really good. I like the icing on top of it too. It is very moist.
Okay, so we're gonna try this chocolate chip chocolate cake with chocolate icing.
Yes, I guess we could call it a triple threat. Triple
chocolate something.
Cake. Yeah, that's it. Triple chocolate cake.
Okay, plant-based cake better than cake. All right, so let's see what this cake talk about.
I told him to get a small piece because this is really rich.
It's my small piece. Yeah, it is good. It is rich. But I'm gonna tell you what it reminds me of. So years ago, when we were courting, we went to this really expensive restaurant. Didn't have enough money to get the dessert, but they brought us like a sampler platter of sorts, and it had some cake that tasted like this, and that's what it reminds me of.
Alright, so I'm gonna try the cake that me and my mom made, and I think it's gonna taste really good. I can taste the cocoa powder in here. But I really like it. It tastes really good. And I think it tastes great and awesome. That is delicious and I love it. And me and my mom did a great job making it. Make sure that you like and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to see more videos.